Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate cloud Firebase storage in a native iOS application. So let's get started. So firstly you will have to come to console.firebase.google.com and then just click on add project. Here you can enter whatever project name you want. I'll keep it simple, my app 2, and I'll just click on continue. I will just disable Google Analytics and I'll click on create project. Now this might take a little bit of time. In the meantime you can just create an Xcode project, and I'm using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well, so your choice. Next let's just wait for this project to be completed. Okay, so I'll click on continue, and here we will have to add our iOS app. So just click on your iOS plus button, and here you will have to enter your bundle identifier. So I will just go and copy my bundle identifier. So this is my bundle identifier and I'll paste it over here. If you want you can give your app nickname as well. Then just click on register app. Then it will give us a download config file. So just download this file. I have already downloaded. Once you download it you can just drag and drop it inside your project. So as you can see over here I have just dragged and dropped the Google services info.plist file inside my project. Then click on next, and here I am using Swift package manager, but if you are interested in CocoaPods you can just click on this link. So just copy for Swift package manager, just copy this link and you can click on file, add package dependencies, and just paste that particular URL and you should see something like this, Firebase iOS SDK. Click on add package. We don't need all these packages. The only package which we need is Firebase storage. So just scroll down and here you can see Firebase storage. Just select your app. I have already added Firebase storage, that's why it is not allowing me to select my app, but just select your app, and rest everything can be none for add to target, and just click on add package. I have already done this so I won't do it again. And here you can see it will download a bunch of dependencies for us. Then click on next. Then it depends what template you are using. I am using Swift with UIKit, so I'll just select this. So inside app delegate we will have to add Firebase core, and we have to add Firebase app.configure. So go to app delegate and here we will just import Firebase core, and here inside did finish launching with options I'll just add Firebase app.configure. Then I'll click on next and I'll click on continue to console. Now I will quickly show you the output. So I have configured this particular project for my iOS app, so I will just do show you that. Oh, before that we need to enable Firebase storage as well. So just go to build, go to storage, and here click on get started. Now we have not integrated Firebase authentication like email, password, those kind of stuff. If you want to know that, I have a separate video for that as well, but here I will keep things simple. We are not integrating email authentication, so I'll just click on start in test mode. So when you start in test mode, here you can see it gives you a 1 month timeline to integrate Firebase authentication. Obviously we can change this date, so I'll just click on next. I'll select keep the cloud storage location as default and click on done. If you are doing this for production, make sure you select appropriate cloud storage location which is nearer to your customers. Then again this might take a little bit of time as well. Anyways, by the time this is getting done, I will quickly show you the code. So here you can see inside my info.plist I have added this photo library usage description permission as well, because we will be picking photos and that would be getting upload to Cloud Firestore. Now if I go to view controller, here you can see I have added few things. First is Firebase storage. Also I have included this HD web image as well, so if you want you can just search for that as well. Web image HD. So yeah, this one. So here you can just copy this URL and again this is also available as Swift package manager. So just click on file, add package dependency, and here inside did finish launching with options. I'll just add Firebase app.configure. So and just paste that URL, and you should see something like this, and then you can just click on add package. So I have also added HD web image as well, and here I have imported photos UI, Firebase storage, and HD web image. And here we are extending PHP view controller delegate. Also inside app delegate, make sure you import this Firebase core as well as this Firebase app.configure. Next, here I am just getting hold of our storage reference. Here I have created one variable, because if you see my output, I have 4 buttons. First button will just upload the image, second button will upload as well as get the image and display it inside an image view, third one will just download, and fourth one just delete. So differentiate between the first 2 buttons, I have created this one variable, and here I have created one UI image view as well. Then if you see the view did load, I have just created 4 buttons. So here I have attached one click listener for first button, this is the click listener for second button, this is the third click listener, and this is the fourth click listener. And here we are just setting some frame to our image view as well and adding it to our view. Okay, this is not required, I'll just delete this. And on first button click, I'm just telling that is just upload is true and then call the pic photo. Similarly for second button, is just upload is false and call pic photo. Third button click, I'll come back to later on, third and fourth. So in pic photo, we are just allowing the user to select one photo, and once the user picks a photo, we come over here. So we dismiss the picker, and if the results is empty, then I just display a console log. If not, if it is just upload, then we get the first image that has been picked. We convert it to a UI image, then we convert that UI image to image data. This is done because I want unique image names for every image uploaded, that's why I'm using timestamp. Then I'm getting hold of our storage references, so all the images will be stored inside the images folder / whatever is the image name. And then we just call dot put data, pass our image data, and in case of any error, we just print error. If not, we just print uploaded. For second button click, we do the same thing, like we get the image, get the UI image, convert it to image data. This is for image name, and this is for storage reference dot child, and then we just put that image data over here. And if the image has been uploaded properly, we get the download URL, and with the help of HD web image, I just display it inside our image view. So this is a placeholder, so I have inside my assets, I have also added one placeholder.jpg file. So in case you want that placeholder, you can use that. And here we just pass our download URL. So by the time the download URL is been displayed, our placeholder will be displayed. Alright, now coming back to this 2 buttons. So first is for download, so this should be the image name. I will tell you where exactly we will get the image name from. And then we just call download URL, and once we have the URL, we just make use of HD web image to display that particular thing. And for delete, again I'm using await, that's why I'm using this task over here, and here we again pass the images folder and pass the actual image name. I will tell you where exactly I'm getting it from, and I'm just calling delete method on it. Alright, let's go back to over here. So I'll quickly tell you how to change the date. In case if you are interested, you can go to the rules section, and over here over here you can just change the date to whatever you want. I'll just change it to 2025. I can click on publish. Don't do this, like this is a bad practice, but anyways, for testing purposes I think it's fine. I'll switch to my original app which I have already integrated. So here you can see there is nothing in storage. I'll go to my simulator, I'll click on upload, and here I'll just select this image, first image, and let's see if the image is uploaded or not. Okay, it is uploaded. So I will quickly refresh my Firebase storage. Okay, leave page, and here you can see inside the images folder it has uploaded this image. Now upload and get, so I'll just click on upload and get. Okay, upload and get, I'll select the second image. Hopefully it uploads it to Firebase storage and that displays it inside image. So here you can see it is displaying a placeholder first, then it displays the image view. And if I refresh Firebase storage, here you can see the image has been uploaded. Now this is how you can get the image name. So I'll just copy this image name and I'll paste it inside my code. You also get image metadata once you have uploaded it. So if you want, you can store that image metadata inside your wherever you prefer, like Swift data or core data or user defaults. Don't store it in user defaults, that's a bad practice. So I have ran the app again, and if I click on download now, it will just download the whatever image name we have given. So here you can see it has shown the image, and if I now click on delete, it should delete the image. So it has deleted the image, and if I try to do a refresh, we should see only one image in Firebase storage. So that's what we are seeing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.